guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Ankara lunch bag, and these are the materials I'll be using: scissors, tape rule, this is lining, Ankara Fabric, this is interfacing, and this is velcro. If you are just joining us for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new tutorial. So guys, on your Ankara fabric, cut out Ankara inches 26 inches length by 15 inches width, 15 inches width. So after cutting out, what you are going to do, you are going to iron interfacing to this material. Let me do that, I'll come back and show you. So guys, this is it. I've ironed interfacing on it, and this is how it looks like. I'll just trim the excess interfacing off. This is it, I've ironed interfacing. So what you will do, you fold it into two. Fold the Ankara fabric into two equal parts. So guys, when you are done folding your Ankara fabric into two, from the bottom part you will mark 2.5 inches. From this bottom part, mark 2.5 inches. .5 inches, and from this way you measure 2.5 inches also. Hope you can see. Then from this part, same way, 2.5 inches. And from this part, 2.5 inches. Then you cut. Then to also cut off this part. So when you are done cutting, you open it, and this is what you will have. So now it's time to fix the handle for this lunch bag. For our handle, the length is 17 inches and the width is 3 inches. So what I did, I folded this part, and I folded it on there. So you go to your sewing machine, you will stitch this side and stitch this other side. I will do the same for the other handle. I will stitch this side and this side. I'll come back and show you. So guys, I am done stitching the handle. I stitch from this point down and from this point down. I iron interfacing. That is why you see the hand standing this way. I ironed interfacing to the Ankara fabric. So when you are done stitching your handle, from one end of the bag, you mark 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches, and from this other part, 4.5 inches. So this is where you'll be fixing the handle. Just place your handle this way and the other one this way. You go to your sewing machine, you stitch this handle here and this one, then you do the same thing for this other side of the bag. I'll come back and show you. So guys, I'm done fixing the handle, you can see, and I've also fixed this part. So the next thing is for us to join this bag together. So I'll go to my sewing machine, I will stitch from this point to this point, and I will also stitch this other side from this point to this point. Let's go and do that. So guys, I have stitched from this point to this point, and I've also stitched this other side. So we'll still go back and stitch this point. Look at the way it is. So you open it this way. And you stitch from this point to this point. So guys, I am done stitching, and this is what our bag is looking like. You can turn your bag inside out. So it's time to make lining for this bag. So we'll set this aside. Then for the lining, we're going to still cut the same size of fabric for the lining. 26 inches by 15. That's what we are still going to use. 26 inches by 15. And what you do is the same process. Fold into two. Measure your 2.5 inches. Cut it out. Sew it the way I just stitched this bag. When you are done folding your lining, mark it same way we'll mark on the Ankara fabric. 2.5 inch here and 2.5 inch here. You do the same thing for this side. 2.5 inch. That's the same way we did for the fabric. So this is it for the lining. Sew from this end to this end, from this end to this end, and you sew this down part also. I'll do that and come back and show you. So guys, I have stitched the lining. I left small open here that we can turn our bag from one side of the lining, but I stitch this one all together. So what you will do now, this lining now is on the wrong side. You can see from the side that I stitch, you are seeing the stitch. Then you pick your bag. Your bag should be on the right side this way. So you're going to wear it for your lining on the wrong side. This is the right side of our fabric and this is the wrong side of our fabric. So this is what you will do. You want to cover our stitch. So you go to your sewing machine and you stitch it round. Stitch it round. Put the handle inside of your bag. You stitch from here. You stitch round, and I'll come back and show you. So guys, I have stitched. I stitch round the bag. So it's time to turn it inside out from that space that I let. You turn it inside out from here. Just bring out your bag. Now you can pull this inside the bag. So guys, when you are done, you will top stitch so that this lining can stay in place. Top stitch it round. Then this opening we left, then you also stitch this one up. I will do that and come back and show you. So guys, I am done stitching. I top stitch round the bag. I hope you can see. So the next thing to do, you fold your bag into 2 equal parts this way, from this part to this part. Fold into 2 and get the midpoint here. Get the midpoint of your bag. You mark the midpoint of your bag, both outside and inside of the bag. So what we'll be doing with this midpoint, we're going to use velcro. This is 3 inches velcro. So I'm going to put this here at this midpoint. Put your velcro at the midpoint. You will stitch square stitching. Stitch it. Fold this other side. Get the midpoint and also put this velcro here. So I'll go and do that and come back and show you. So guys, I have stitched the velcro. You can still the stitches. I've also stitched this side, and this is what it looks like. So now the next thing to do, you close your bag. Then this way, you should fold in this way after using your velcro to lock your bag. Then from this way, you're going to run stitch from this top down to this bottom side. Then you run your stitch from this top down to this bottom side. You're going to do the same for this other side. Fold your bag in this way. Then run your stitch from this point down and from this point down. I'll do that. I'll come back to show you. So guys, this is what the bag look like. I stitch here. I hope you can see. And I also stitch this part, and this is the finish up of our Ankara launch box. This is the inside of the bag. It's very neat at the inside. This is how it is, and this is it when you lock the bag. So guys, comment your opinion about this tutorial. Give this video a big thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.